Editing both simple and complex tables is easy with Affinda's table editor. In this commercial invoice example, we'll show you how to review and edit what's been extracted. We'll start by clicking the yellow annotation to bring up the table editor. There are two different modes in the Affinda table editor that users can move seamlessly between. Grid mode is perfect for very structured, grid-like tables. Freeform mode is great when the data in the rows might overlap or is more unstructured. Let's start by editing this as a grid-like table. First, we need to set our rows. We can add new rows, adjust row boundaries by moving them up or down, or remove row boundaries, like we'll do here. Once the rows are set, we just need to check that the columns are correct. In this example, we need to adjust the quantity column, which is done by dragging the columns across. Now that our table is set, we can click Confirm and move on to the next document. Easy. But what if we want to structure the information from the description column? Let's switch to Freeform mode to capture additional data. Editing in Freeform is a simple three-step process. First, we make sure the row boundaries are set correctly, which we've already done. Next, we annotate the data in the first row. Here we'll capture the item description as just the first line, and then add the origin code. Everything else looks good. So the final step is to click Autofill Down. The Affinda table editor will then apply the pattern to the remaining rows, delivering 100% accuracy for even the most complex tables.